Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online. First, you'll learn why integrating these platforms is crucial for your business's financial health. Then, we'll explore the two main approaches to link them, ensuring your sales, expenses, and customer data are always in sync. This guide will help you streamline your accounting processes and save valuable time, making your financial management much simpler. The easiest way to connect Shopify and QuickBooks is by using a dedicated integration app. Tools like Cinder or BoldCommerce can automatically sync your sales, refunds, and inventory data directly into QuickBooks Online. These apps eliminate manual data entry, reduce errors, and provide a real-time overview of your financial performance, saving you significant effort and ensuring accuracy. If direct app integration isn't for you, a manual approach is also possible. You can export your sales and transaction data from Shopify as a CSV file. Then, simply import this file into QuickBooks Online. While this method requires more hands-on work, it offers complete control over your data and is a viable option for smaller businesses or those with specific needs. To ensure a smooth integration, always categorize your products and services consistently in both Shopify and QuickBooks. Regularly review your sync data for any discrepancies to maintain accurate financial records. This proactive approach helps prevent issues down the line. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter home. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.